My name is Will Bateman. I'm the operations manager for LeafFilter of Houston. When you're considering gutters, what you should consider is first, obviously, the quality of the materials, but secondly, and probably more importantly, is the installation process. Are you having experts coming out and doing your job? A lot of the stuff that we end up fixing or replacing is gutter that was installed incorrectly. For instance, with every LeafFilter home that we put our product on, part of our service is to seal, reinforce, recondition, and realign that gutter to make sure it's working properly, or our product won't work. So unfortunately, a lot of times customers will go a little bit cheaper and end up finding someone that doesn't really know what they're doing. And that can be the most expensive solution, is doing it twice.
My name is Sarah Atkinson. I'm an operations manager with LeafFilter. The feedback that we get from our customers are that they love that LeafFilter is surgical grade stainless steel, so it will not rust, it will not corrode, and so organic material can't and won't permanently stick to it. That the next good wind, the next good rain, it's going to push that debris right off. They love that it keeps their loved ones safe on the ground. They also love the warranties that we have, so the 50-year sealant warranty, the lifetime transferable warranty. A lot of real estate agents love that transferable warranty, so that if you were to ever pass on the house or sell the house, that's a great benefit that the new homeowner no longer has to worry about maintenance or the maintenance of their gutters as well. We are very responsive and we're very personal, and they love our reputation. And they're really surprised by just all the hands-on and all the care that LeafFilter gives them.